You're watching Wanderlucia. Blackburn is nestled in the heart of Lancashire. Blackburn's history is known initially for its wool production in medieval times. The town burgeoned into a textile powerhouse by the 13th century with the introduction of the Flemish weavers. The 18th and 19th centuries saw Blackburn rise to prominence as a major cotton and weaving hub. Today, the town's industries include advanced manufacturing, aerospace and technology, with a growing sector in health and education services. The Royal Blackburn Hospital is also a key employer. Additionally, the town has a burgeoning retail and service sector centred around the Mall Blackburn and other commercial areas, providing numerous employment opportunities for the local population. Blackburn is home to landmarks that reflect its heritage. The stunning Blackburn Cathedral, with its modern sculptures and ancient crypt, stands as a testament to the town's historical and spiritual significance. The Blackburn Museum and Art Gallery offers a dive into local history and art, housing unique collections like the Heart collection of Japanese prints. For nature enthusiasts, the Witton Country Park provides a sprawling green oasis, ideal for walks, picnics and sports. Meanwhile, the Ewood Park Stadium is a pilgrimage site for football fans, home to the Blackburn Rovers. Blackburn has been the inspiration for some notable individuals and cultural contributions. It's famously mentioned in the Beatles' song A Day in the Life, reflecting its cultural reach. Additionally, Indian independence leader Mahatma Gandhi visited Blackburn in 1931, discussing the impacts of the cotton industry on local workers. These personalities and moments are a testament to Blackburn's significant and diverse influence. Choosing the best place to live in Blackburn depends on individual preferences, whether it's proximity to schools, parks, or a preference for a more historic or modern neighbourhood. Here is a list of potential places for your relocation. Wiltshire. Known for its serene, leafy environment and beautiful homes, Wiltshire is ideal for families seeking a peaceful suburban life. According to Rightmove, properties in Wiltshire have an average price of £256,000. Pleckgate, offering a mix of modern and traditional homes, Pleckgate is popular for its strong community feel and good schools. Properties in Pleckgate have an average price of £183,000. Mellor, nestled on the outskirts, Mellor boasts picturesque countryside views, making it perfect for those who love nature and tranquility. Properties in Mellor have an average price of £279,000. Beardwood. With its luxurious homes and well-maintained gardens, Beardwood offers an upscale living experience. Properties in Beardwood have an average price of £265,000. In concluding this video, Blackburn offers a diverse and vibrant lifestyle. Whether you're drawn to its historical roots, the scenic West Pennine moors, or the contemporary career opportunities in aerospace and technology, Blackburn provides a unique and welcoming environment. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you consider moving or visiting? If you're a local, would you recommend your hometown? Stay tuned for the next video.